Are you looking for creative ways to earn money? In today's economy, many people are exploring new and innovative ways to make a living. In this video, we'll explore 10 creative ways to earn money using your skills and resources. Number 1. Photography. If you have a passion for photography, you can earn money by selling your photos online or offering your services for events and photo shoots. Number 2. Content creation. With the rise of social media and digital marketing, businesses are always in need of high-quality content. If you have a knack for writing, designing, or video production, you can offer your services as a content creator. Number 3. Language tutoring. If you're fluent in a language other than your native one, you can offer language tutoring services to students or language learners online. Number 4. Software development. If you have coding skills, you can develop software applications, websites, or games for clients or create your own products to sell. Number 5. Research and analysis. If you have a talent for data analysis, you can provide research and analysis services for businesses or individuals who need data-driven insights. Number 6. Teaching skills. If you're an expert in a particular skill, such as playing an instrument, cooking, or coding, you can offer online classes or in-person lessons. Number 7. E-commerce. With the rise of online marketplaces like Amazon and Etsy, you can sell products online, either by creating your own products or selling other people's products. Number 8. Customer service. With the rise of chatbots and AI-powered customer service, you can offer customer service support for businesses or websites that need human interaction. Number 9. Graphic design. If you have a talent for design, you can create logos, graphics, or illustrations for businesses or individuals.